Welcome, guys. Welcome. For those of you friends on Facebook that have been catching up, working right now on the 2019 Toyota Camry. So just fall right into it. Working on it yesterday, we ordered 2 parts. Meanwhile, while that's getting delivered, I've been working on the bumper. So whether fixing it, whether buying it, since if I buy a new bumper, I'm gonna have to paint the fenders. Well, our body guy's gonna do it actually. So because the bumper's black, when you paint it, you have to match it. It's gonna be a different color. You have to blend it to the fenders. So I want to dodge that. I took a look at the bumper. It is repairable. So I took time leaving the original bumper, and I ordered a grill to line up, make sure there was a piece that was torn off. So we had to fiberglass from the inside. I didn't want it to run down. The grills are going to come off with the body work. So as we can see on the inside, we fiberglassed it. We melted it down. We fiberglassed that piece. We're going to grind it down. We're going to clean it, make it right. We are going to take the grill off. We just have to make sure that it pops in properly. And so grills are going to come off and the bumper's going to the body guy. And I got to catch up on other stuff. So this work will be done by our body guy. Once the support comes in, that's when we put it together. Right now, we're just throwing it together because I'm going to move the car for the body work. When it comes back, we're going to assemble it, guys. Stay tuned. Let me just quickly explain what's exactly going on. We throw on the bumper. We didn't throw any parts on. Just to easier to do some body work, but we're taking to the body work. But he's going to do it through the pieces on together for now so we can line up exactly the grill. We fiberglassed it. So how the process goes right now, the guy's going to do it, take off the grills, and he's going to do body work, he's going to paint it. As the car comes back, we're going to be assembling it. But meanwhile, just trying to line up, make sure that everything lines up well before it's out of here. And as you see in the core support, the upper support is bent. We ordered another one, but temporarily we need to line it up. So just we drilled a little bit so the lines look even. I'm going to be doing some little grinding right now. But let me just quickly give you a glimpse of what it lines up with bolts perfectly, but in the middle, when it got hit, when you put these bolts in, the bumper is underneath the hood, but it has to be evenly lined up. So temporarily, we re-drilled it a little bit. Either way, we get a new support. So other than that, without the headlights being on the car and reinforcement bar, other parts, we got it to line up to where the lines are even. The hood is good. The hood is aluminum. We are going to be welding to the inside. So I'll do that in a little bit. Meanwhile, looks good. Let me just give you a walk around the car. So you can see all the lines. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Here, as I explained, that piece was ripped off. From the inside, we fiberglassed it. But the grill's gonna come off. It's gonna get all sanded down even. We fiberglassed it. We're cleaning it up. Getting it to where we're gonna lay fiberglass on it. Let it dry, sand it down. Bondo. Probably be icing it. That'll do the work. Ready for primer. And a fiberglass fit. Going anywhere. Wrapped up. We're gonna prime it, let it dry up, and it's hot in here. I left the door open so for it to air out a little bit. So we're gonna put a temperature on, let it dry up a notch, wet sand it, and 50-50. Depends how we feel. Might paint it tonight, or we're gonna paint it early in the morning. So you'll see the car regardless. Tomorrow will be painted, but we're still waiting for some parts to arrive. I promise you the first video will be the Maserati hood, but we're busy. We're busy, so meanwhile, this is what we got. We're just priming. This is the second coat. We're gonna put a third coat. Let it dry. Put the temperature on. Close the spray booth. Let it heal. You might be wondering, why the black spray? You block it out. You see all the imperfections until it's flattened. Keep going. If you go to down to plastic, reprime it. We're doing 400. We're gonna go down to 600. So that's good enough for 600 to cover the paint. But if you're gonna cover up the land, like the fenders, we're gonna wet sand with 1500. Septic wet sand. Let it dry. 1500. Now the hood is gonna be 600. So. That's the first coat. So just blending it in a little bit, but we're still gonna give a second layer, a clear coat. 2 coats. Now we're gonna come back to do the bumper as well. Yeah, the bumper. We're not putting a spray booth. Simple. Here she is. So far, we're done with it. We're waiting for parts to come in. Once the parts come in, I'll finish and do the full video, cropped all in one, I guess. I don't know how that's gonna work out. So far today, I'm gonna get home. I'm gonna edit this video. I'm gonna post it. So you guys leave a comment. Let me know where I can do improvements. And it's my first video. And just let me know, guys, what you think. Meanwhile, thank you for staying, watch, and hit the like button, subscribe, bell, whatever, however it works. Thank you, guys. Have a good one.